Hi, this is just a short video on how to replace a turn signal relay for a 2008 Acura Mdx. So the relay is located underneath the driver's side. It's right here. Excuse my camera work, but it's right there. Right there. It's a gray fuse right above the yellow connector. Okay, so what you have to do is just remove that and replace with a new one. Oh, just for a tip, you might want to push down this foot brake to give you some room to work on it. All right, and I'll show you the part number for this one. So you can pause the video and just write the number right there. Okay, bye.